Everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to make these. I'm gonna kill it. Yeah, like that. I'm using this paper. I'm using my old paper because today I don't want to waste paper. So first do it like this. Like to make a origami paper with a A4 size paper. Yeah, I remember we need a A4 size paper. Don't take a origami paper. Do it like this. So look like a hunt. A hunt, I'm a hunter. Then you should do it like this. You don't correct your mistakes. I told you also in the last video. You should always correct your mistakes. Done. And then you should do like this. Inches here. Then I mean I did it like this. You can do it anything. Dispense it. Dispense it and do anything you want. I don't want to because my camera fell down. My camera fell down 21 times and I made these. It's making my camera fall down 21 times almost. These are broken new papers. And I posted them. Just like this. Oh my god. And then you're almost done. Oh. Then you keep this inside this. Now this is really hard because I'm using a book paper, not book paper. A book paper is strong, you all know that. But if you use any strong paper, your defense will be more stronger. If people play those games like that. So like this, it looks like this. So you can see it looks like this. Where the hell is this part gone? No, that's not what's inside of this. So also you should keep this inside. And then you should, I don't know. I'm not done with this. Bro, it's taking me forever. How did that? Oh my goodness. I don't know how. Let's sleep on this. Yeah, it's almost done. Done. My head is heavier than my hand. My head is stronger than my dumb hand. So done. And self-defense. You can use these to play with your friends and all. You can make a whole set by keeping everything in your fingers. Do tell how to keep these. Don't keep these like this. These are easy for you now and not look fancy. Except take this part and keep it inside like this. It look fancy and not fall down. Go save for everything. All that stuff. And look, we're done with the team members, huh? Give me your money. And these are strong because I use strong papers. I guess these are the best for typing. And so bye bye. Meet you at the next video. And look, Animal 31 wants stuff. Before saying bye bye. You can, like you have seen people making statues like this. Ooh, I'm walking, this is my cobra. Like this. They walk like this. I walk. I make a 360 out of camera. You tell out what did they use? They use this. Whatever I made for you. Ha ha ha. I'm gone. Kacha. On up it looks like this, but you see it like this. I'm gonna So I use this. So bye bye. Meet you in the next video.